Hello, this is Mr. Roos again. In the last video I told you that there would be no sound to this segment. I made a mistake. The video that has no sound is the one of me placing each component onto the MakerBot workspace. For this video there will be sound, obviously. It's a simple video on just basically converting these IPT files into SLT files. SLT files are the files that are necessary for each part to be placed in so that they can be placed into the MakerBot workspace. It's very simple. All we're going to do is resave the files as a different name. So file, we're going to save as, we're going to save copy as, and we're going to convert this from an IPT to an STL. And we're going to say save. And that is it. We will take the STL files and you will place those into the MakerBot. Sorry.